Here comes one. Has no idea he's just about to get taken. Let him eat for a second before you catch him, okay? Let him eat for a second. Oh, here he comes. Let him come on top of you. You got him! Hey. Paulina caught the seagull! Hey, you guys! Steven! She caught it! Try to stand up with it. Try to stand up with him. His neck. Get him by the neck. Paulina caught the seagull. Let him go in a second. It's okay.
Grab her around the wing.
Grab her. Woo-hoo!
Oh, yeah.
She caught the seagull.
Paulina, say Seagull now.
What?
She got you good. Does it hurt?
Okay, Paulina, go to the water and set him free.
You want a chip?
Just throw him.
There's a chip right there, buddy. Okay, just let him go.
Doesn't want it. Okay. Go
Okay,
on.
I'm gonna let him go.
Throw him.
There he goes. Woo-hoo!